Welcome to today's lesson. Today we are going to take a look at the different vocabulary words that you can use to describe different emotions. So today's subject is emotions. All of the words you learn today can be used to describe your own emotions or other people's emotions. Before we start, we publish new videos almost every day, so be sure to hit the subscribe button and hit the bell to be notified about any new videos that we make. Real quick, let's go over all the words we'll learn today. Repeat after me. Amazed. Annoyed, confused, disgusted, embarrassed, excited, interested, shocked. Let's go over the definitions for each of these words. Amazed, greatly surprised, astounded, suddenly filled with wonder. The magician made the dove disappear before our amazed eyes. Angry, feeling or showing strong annoyance, displeasure, or hostility. I was so annoyed with him for turning up late. Confused. Not clear and therefore difficult to understand. Your essay gets a bit confused halfway through when you introduce too many ideas at once. Disgusted. Feeling extreme dislike or disapproval of something. She was disgusted at the way they treated their children. Embarrassed, feeling ashamed or shy. She felt embarrassed about undressing in front of the doctor. Excited, feeling very happy and enthusiastic. Are you getting excited about your holiday? An excited crowd waited for the singer to arrive. Interested. Wanting to give your attention to something and discover more about it. Yes, I'd be very interested in knowing more about the services your firm offers. He didn't seem very interested in what I was saying. Shocked. Feeling very upset or surprised. He was shocked to discover that he had no money left in his account. It is time to do some practice. I'm going to show you a picture of a person. Look at the picture and then choose among the 4 answer choices which emotion best corresponds with the person. You have 8 seconds for each question. Good luck. Now, let's go over the answers. Number 1, B, angry. Number 2, B, excited. Number 3, D, shocked. Number 4, C, embarrassed. Number 5, A, disgusted. Ugh. Number 6, B, interested. Number 7, D, amazed. Number 8, A, confused. These words can often be used with very simple sentences. Let's take a look at some common ways you can use these words. For example, what's wrong? I'm shocked that no one came to my birthday party. Don't worry about it. Everybody was probably busy. Here we can see that you can use these words with this pattern. I'm blank that blank. For example, I'm surprised that Randy forgot my birthday. Let's look at another example. You look annoyed, Frank. What's the matter? Mr. James forgot my name again. He called me Hank. We can use these words with look. For example, wow, Randy looks really angry. I wonder what happened. You look a little confused. Can I help you? Yes, please. I'm not very good with computers. Look at that guy over there. He looks really excited to see this movie. Yeah, he must be a big Star Wars fan. Okay, everyone, that's it for today's lesson. Thank you for watching. I hope that you learned some new words. And when you get a chance, try to use them in your English conversations. If you like this video, please leave a comment and subscribe to our channel. Until next time, my name is Randy League. Bye-bye.